me to you, but I don't know how.
It was like someone told me that.
We got a lot going on today. Our estimates are that will be over 400 runners when the bell goes off. So that's.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good run.
Ready, set. Oh my God!
And the winner, the guy that could have lapped my time twice, Joshua Gordon, a friend of an alum who lives in Boston, with a time of 16:07. You were flying. And first place in the women's division, Laura Smith, a time of 18:31. Laura, great job.